Want shapes or logos on your latex but not sure how? Stick around because we'll show you how. Welcome to Rubberly Workshop. Today in the workshop we have a quick and easier lesson for you. Appliques. Now, you might think you need some fancy tools for it, but you don't. Let's do this. So what is an applique? It is basically a small piece of latex cut into letters or other simple graphics. You might think you need hands of a surgeon or a laser cutter to cut those out, but there's another way. If you have a regular inkjet or laser printer, you're already off to the races. We're going to be printing stencils to cut along. You normally print on regular paper, but we've got a little trick up our sleeve. These are A4 labels. This way, we can stick our design on a sheet of latex, cut that design out directly, and the stencil can't slip during cutting. Let's find ourselves an image we're after. For best results, you want an image with a good contrast, so a dark image on a light or white background will always be easier to trace along with your blade. To make sure it's the right size I want, I'm going to load it up and place it on an A4 sheet. I won't go into too much detail because we're a latex channel and not a tech channel, but there's many tutorials for sizing images for print no matter what software you're using. This alien head looks good and should go well with the tank top I'll place it on. When you printed out your stencil, you can get it ready to stick onto some latex. The tank top is a translucent blue, and I thought this latex would be perfect for the applique against it. So I'm going to trim the stencil like so. Let's take a break. Rubberly store now has even more goodies, including our new 300ml dip shine and sheet latex by the meter for your own projects and repairs. So whether you're polishing up, suiting up, or making something fabulous, check out rubber.ly. Every purchase helps support Rubberly and keeps us making more latex videos for everyone. Now let's get back into it. And we'll cut off an amount of latex slightly larger than the stencil to minimize waste. We'll clean the latex with some solvent to help the stencil stick better. Oils and powders are not your friend right now. After leaving the latex for 15 minutes to dry, we'll peel the label and place it on the shiny side carefully. Ease it on and avoid any air bubbles. For good measure, I'll use the seam roller to stick it on good. You want to have a good think about what blade you're going to use to cut the applique. Larger, simpler designs will be okay with your standard 28mm rotary cutter. Smaller designs may need you to buy an 18mm rotary cutter. I know others have had success with an X-Acto knife, but these can be dangerous, so do take care. Now we've got the applique cut out, we're going to leave the label on. It'll reduce curling. We'll clean the dull side with some solvent and also clean the surface we're attaching the applique to. It always helps to clean a little wider around where you're going to place the applique. Wait about 10 minutes for the solvent to dry and any curling to relax. A slightly thinner glue will help us, so we can add some solvent to get it to the right consistency. Yeah, that looks about right. Good to go. Now here's the tricky part, getting the glue onto the applique. I don't want to put too much glue, if at all, on the actual tank top. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend the rules and do something cheeky now. I'm only going to put glue on the applique. I've already cleaned the tank top and the applique with solvent, so we should be pretty right. Now I want to place this in the center of the tank top. I don't want it to look off to the left or to the right, so I've got to be very careful with how I place this. And if that looks about right, just keep rolling it on like that. And if you're happy with it all, just hit it with a seam roller. It's that easy. If there's any stray glue around the applique, just clean it off with some solvent, but try not to get any solvent under the applique. Carefully peel the paper, while taking care not to lift the applique. When it's all peeled off, give it a little clean with some solvent. I'll place a mat on top of the applique and hit it with the seam roller. No air bubbles allowed. With that being complete, let's hit it with a little bit of talcum powder around, and it'll show any stray glue that we may have missed. If you notice any stray glue after the powder's been applied, don't be afraid to go and hit that with the solvent as well. We'll leave this tank top for 24 hours and come back to it. As usual with any completed project, we're going to wash it, rinse it and shine it, like so. Hey, look how that turned out. Not bad. It's out of this world. And there you have it, a simple way to decorate your latex, and with less hassle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We have some more workshops up our sleeve. Bye for now.
Thanks to all who support us through Ko-fi and Rubberly Store.